Amazon just reported earnings. EPS came in at $1.59 against a $1.33 estimate. Revenue hit $159.3 billion. AWS Amazon Web Services generated $32.3 billion. The stock jumped 13.26% today. We ran the 5-day FSR. The chart shows exactly when earnings hit. This is the third consecutive big tech earnings beat this week that the market rewarded. Microsoft surged 17%. Amazon jumped 13% on AWS strength and a strong Q3 guidance range of $159 to $164 billion, above estimates. The contract with Meta earlier this week couldn't be sharper. Cloud AI revenue is what the market is rewarding right now. 5 days of 30-minute interval data. FSR score 91%. Rolling FSR 97%. Price held flat between 227 and 235 for the entire week. Then look at window 40. That's the earnings release. Price jumped from 235 to 270 in a matter of hours. The rolling FSR dropped from 97 to 88 at the exact moment of the spike. The same structural disruption pattern we saw with Microsoft. The upside move is large enough to break the short-term data pattern. This week has produced three distinct earnings reactions. Meta down 9% on EPS miss and raised AI spending. Microsoft up 17% on Azure crossing $100 billion with steady capex. Amazon up 13% on AWS growth and strong guidance. The FSR in all three showed structured moves in their respective directions. The market this week was not random. It was making deliberate judgments about which AI investments are proving out. Analyst average target is 270.57. The stock is trading right at that level today at 266, near 52-week high territory. Operating income of $18.4 billion beat estimates. Q3 guidance came in above expectations. The fundamentals supported today's move completely. Full tool at predictability-api.com. Link is in the description. Thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you in the next one.